This video explains how you can install a WebDriver IO on your local machine and execute tests on different browsers. So WebDriver IO is a JavaScript testing framework to automate the browsers, and it uses Mocha as well. So what you need to do to set up the project is you need to create the project directory. As you can see here, you can execute this command, make directory, project directory name. You can put any name there and then navigate to that directory, and after that you can initialize the sample node.js project using this command npm init -y. -y means it will automatically create the project without asking any questions. So I have already created that project here, you can see. And when you do the npm init, only package.json file is created with this content, the name, description, main, script, etc. And you can change this details like project name, version, etc. right in this file as well. Next thing is we need to install the dependencies for our WebDriver IO, and to do that you have to execute this command npm install savedev wdio cli. So once you do that, all these dependencies will be installed. And very important thing, you have to execute this npx wdio config y. So basically what this command is to configure your WebDriver IO project. So if you do that, it will ask you several questions based upon, as you can see, it is also installing some dependencies as well along with configuration. Okay, once this is done, you can execute your tests using this command called as npx wdio.conf.js. so it is saying 0 tests passed, 0 total. So by default what happens is, if you look into this configuration file, you can see that these test specifications will be kept in this directory test/specs. So you need to make sure that your tests are in this directory, otherwise tests will not be executed. So right now I'm going to change it, and again execute these tests. So this time around it will find the test. I have added one test here, you can see here, this one. So by default it will launch Chrome browser, and it will execute the test, but you can definitely change this browser as well. I'll explain you how you can change that. So the test execution is finished. I'll briefly explain this test as well, and then I will tell you how to configure different browsers. So here you can see this describe IT comes from the, these functions come from the Mocha testing framework, and this is WebDriver IO functions that we are using here. Browser.url, go to the website, get the title and check the title, and do the assertion. The assertions are provided inbuilt in the WebDriver IO library. Now if you come here, webdriver io.conf.js, you can see that by default in the capabilities we have specified Chrome. That means we want to execute the test on Chrome, but if you want to change it, or you can add multiple capabilities as well. Here instead of Chrome you can give Firefox, or you can give other capability as well, like this. Firefox suppose, and then execute test on the Firefox as well. And to generate the report, you will have to make one setting here. In the reporters you will have to add the reporter as well, so that thing you will have to do. So that's how you can execute the tests in WebDriver IO. Thanks for watching this video.